The City of Surigao Charter Day refers to the anniversary celebration of the City Charter of Surigao, Philippines. A city charter is a legal document that grants a municipality the status of a city, along with certain rights, privileges, and responsibilities. The Charter Day celebration is an annual event that marks the city's incorporation as a chartered city. Surigao is a city located in the northeastern part of Mindanao, Philippines. It is known for its rich history, natural resources, and cultural heritage. The Charter Day celebration is an important occasion for the city's residents and local government officials, as it provides an opportunity to showcase the city's progress, achievements, and contributions to the region and the country. During the Charter Day celebration, various activities and events are typically organized, including parades, cultural performances, sports competitions, beauty pageants, trade fairs, and community gatherings. The celebration may also include ceremonies where local government officials reflect on the city's growth and development, as well as its plans for the future. The city of Surigao, located in the Philippines, celebrates its Charter Day to commemorate the city's incorporation or establishment as a chartered city. During this celebration, various departments and government agencies within the city typically collaborate to organize events and activities that highlight the city's achievements, culture, and progress. The cooperation among different departments and agencies is crucial in ensuring the success of the Charter Day celebrations. Here's how various departments might collaborate during the City of Surigao's Charter Day. 1. Local Government Unit LGU. The LGU plays a central role in coordinating the Charter Day celebrations. They might organize the main event, secure permits and venues, and manage logistics. 2. Tourism Department. The Tourism Department would be responsible for promoting the event to tourists and residents alike. They might organize cultural shows, guided tours, and other activities that showcase the city's attractions. 3. Cultural Affairs Office. This department would likely coordinate performances, exhibits, and workshops that highlight the city's cultural heritage. Traditional dance performances, art exhibits, and workshops on local crafts might be part of the celebrations. 4. Education Department. Schools and educational institutions might participate by organizing academic contests, exhibitions, or seminars that focus on the city's history and progress. 5. Sports and Recreation Department. To promote physical activity and community involvement, the Sports and Recreation Department could organize sports tournaments, fun runs, and other recreational activities. 6. Social Welfare Department. This department might contribute by organizing charity events, community outreach programs, and initiatives that give back to the less fortunate within the city. 7. Health Department. The Health Department could offer free health checkups, vaccination drives, and health awareness campaigns as part of the celebrations. 8. Environmental Office. The city's commitment to environmental sustainability could be highlighted through tree planting activities, cleanup drives, and educational campaigns on environmental conservation. 9. Public Information Office. The PIO would handle communication and promotion, ensuring that the public is well informed about the event schedule, activities, and any changes. 10. Public Safety Department. Ensuring the safety and security of participants is paramount. This department could coordinate with law enforcement agencies to provide proper security measures during the celebrations. 11. Infrastructure Department. The Infrastructure Department might oversee the preparation of venues, stages, and other physical facilities required for the events. 12. Business and Commerce Office. Local businesses could participate by offering special promotions, discounts, or sponsoring specific activities. 13. Local artists and performers. Local artists, musicians, and performers could be engaged to provide entertainment throughout the celebrations. 14. Volunteer groups. Various volunteer organizations within the city might collaborate to assist with event organization, crowd control, and other aspects of the celebrations. By fostering cooperation among these departments and entities, the city of Surigao can ensure a diverse and engaging Charter Day celebration that reflects the city's achievements, culture, and community spirit.
Thank you.